Hey mom, welcome back to my channel. So I'm pretty sure you guys see this very huge smile on my face, and that's because I am super excited to be doing a full unboxing with you guys. Dossier has decided to come out with their own luxury scents, and if you do not know about Dossier already, girl, you are super late, okay? Dossier is actually based out of New York City, and their mission is to change the way that we currently shop for our perfumes. Dossier is known for their high-end luxury scents that are inspired by luxury brand perfumes. So that includes Burberry, Gucci, YSL, you name it, Dossier got it. But the difference is that Dossier is actually paraben, cruelty-free, and their perfumes are also vegan. And on top of that, girl, you are going to save so much money shopping with Dossier versus all these other high-end luxury perfumes. And also on top of that, even though you're saving a whole bunch of money, you're still getting that high-end luxury scent. A lot of their perfumes smell just like the original scents that they're inspired from, okay? So before I actually do this unboxing with you guys, I want to give you guys a little bit more in-depth as to what Dossier is about and what they offer.
Dossier is one of the hottest perfume brands out at the moment, and what they do is they reproduce classic high-end luxury scents at a fraction of the price. One thing that I absolutely love about Dossier is that even though their perfumes are inspired and reproduced by high-end luxury scents, they always smell like the original and then some. Dossier reproduces classic high-end luxury scents at a fraction of the price, keeping the exact same high quality by cutting all the expenses in the infamous brand tax. They have a risk-free system, which basically allows customers to try the perfumes before committing to them, and if you decide to return the scent, they offer a 30-day return policy in which customers can return unsealed 50 milliliter Dossier perfume and get a full refund with no questions asked. With Dossier focusing on the affordability of their perfumes by removing all retail markups, all of their prices range between $29 to $59. And me personally, I love the fact that all of their perfumes definitely are inspired by the luxury scents, smell exactly the same, however they're vegan, cruelty, and paraben free. Dossier currently has a welcome offer of up to 20% off on the website. They also have a new payment method that lets you earn store credit. Select Catch at the last step of your checkout and you earn a $10 sign-on bonus credit. Get rewarded with 10% off store credit on every order.
So now that you guys pretty much know what Dossier is all about, I'm pretty sure you've heard me rant of it before. So I hope I jogged your memory with everything that I literally just mentioned. But now let's go ahead and do this unboxing and let's see what they sent. Alright, so first things first, it comes with this little card here, and it actually shows you the perfumes that are included in this box, which is going to be their 3 original scents that Dossier is launching now. Now, on the back of this card, it actually gives you instructions for testing your perfume. So it says to start playing it safe. To get a sense of the fragrance before committing, pre-test it on one of the included test strips, spray the perfume on the test strip, wait between 30 seconds and 1 minute, and then smell it. And then afterwards, you can also try it on yourself, so you can spray it on your wrist, behind your ears. You guys know all that good stuff, okay? So I'm super excited. So let's see what this is all about. I love the pink packaging, by the way. Okay, so it comes in their signature boxes. We got 3 of the boxes here. I don't think I'm missing anything. So it comes with Dossier's 3 original boxes, which is cute. So I don't even know which one I want to try first. Okay, I'll just pick any one. We'll try it first and we'll see what this is all about. All right, so let's go ahead and open the very first one. I've always loved how Dossier sent their perfumes because they're like very well intact. You know what I mean? It's not just put in a regular cheap type of box. Like, they make sure your perfume is going to be very well protected during the shipping process. So Dossier, I appreciate you for that. We have the perfume here. So this very first one that I pulled out is Fiery Leather Rhubarb, and this is the Genderless collection. That's another thing that I love about Dossier, is because of course they have your typical male and female cologne slash perfume, whatever you want to call it, but they also have unisex. So the fact that they're starting off releasing their own perfume scents by saying this is genderless, baby, anybody and everybody can use it, love that. They also sent the perfume testers here, the strips, love that. And then here is the card here that's going to further explain the perfume. So let's go ahead and read it. All right, so this one says the Genderless collection. We've liberated your fragrance from a hypersexualized mold by marrying traditionally exposing ingredients for a harmonious fluid blend. So let's talk about the ingredients. So the top notes: rhubarb, nutmeg, and melon, geranium, rose, saffron. It's vegan black leather and vetiver. I hope I said that right. It's also related to ambery and green as far as the scent family. So this should smell very interesting. So let's see what it smells like. Oh my gosh, I smell it already. But I'm gonna wait the 30 seconds to see exactly what it smells like. All right, so off the bat, I like this one. This is like a perfect fall scent. Which one is this again? Fiery Leather and Rhubarb. I definitely could see where they're getting the leather scent from. The rose, I smell that. The nutmeg, the rhubarb, I smell that. This one smells really good, you guys. If I have to further explain as to what it smells like outside of the ingredients that Dossier gave us, it smells like you're walking into a floral shop that also sells handbags. Like, it smells really good and it's giving me that fall aesthetic that I love. So this is a really good scent for the fall. And I definitely smell that rose sticking out. I think that's probably why I'm getting that floral scent. Just like they said, it has the masculinity of leather, but then also the femininity of floral. And it's a really good balance. It's not overpowering at all. I really like this one. I like this one a lot. Okay, let's try the other ones. Okay, so again, the Genderless collection. This one is called Sunny Vetiver Neroli. Sunny Vetiver Neroli features a blend of floral and woody notes. This fragrance merges feminine notes of neroli and orange flowers with masculine smoky woodiness of Haitian vetiver, patchouli, and cedarwood, resulting in harmonious intertwining. All right, so the top notes as far as the ingredients of this one, this is bergamot, grapefruit, neroli, orange blossom, geranium, elemi, Haitian vetiver, cedarwood, woody, and floral as far as the family scents. So this seems like it's going to be giving me fall vibes as well, which is great because I love to have certain scents for each season. So let's spray it on a tester and let's see what this one smells like. Oh my gosh, Dossier! This smells amazing. I'm not playing with you guys. Like, literally, it smells amazing. This is giving me fall vibes. It's not overpowering at all, and that's what I love the most, because as much as I love perfumes, I have a very sensitive nose. I'm very sensitive to a lot of strong scents, so it's like it makes a statement, but it's not overpowering. This one is definitely giving me like sandalwood. Hold on, where's the card again so I can see if I'm picking up the right thing here. Cedarwood. Okay, so I'm definitely smelling the wood. I could definitely say that. I smell the floral again, but it's not like a floral shop. It's almost like you're walking into a nice floral garden, like you're outside. It's giving me outside air, fresh outside air, fresh fall scents that mix into that. I smell the grapefruit as well, but it's not too much. Like, each scent that they put into this specific one, it doesn't overpower one another. So this is a very, very good blend. I like this one. I like this one a lot. Oh my God, this is gonna be so hard to choose which one is my favorite. But let's go ahead and move on to the third one. Last but not least, we have Caramelized Lavender and Hazelnut. And just based off of this title, based off of this name of this specific scent, I think I probably saved the best for last. Now, reading off the card here about this perfume, Caramelized Lavender and Hazelnut takes lavender, a staple in men's fragrances, and reimagines it with a salted caramel hazelnut accord. I don't drink coffee, but this sounds like this will be an amazing caramelized frappuccino or something. I don't know. Gourmand tones are more commonly used in women's fragrances, combining the aromatic lavender and sweet hazelnut. The effect is hypnotizing. So this is salted caramelized hazelnut accord, lavender, violet, orange flower, patchouli, vetiver, suede, abroxan, gourmand, and aromatic family scent. Oh my goodness. This has violet in it? Hold on. Yes! That's the first scent that I pick up is the violet. I pick up the caramel. I pick up the hazelnut. Okay, they described this scent as being hypnotizing and they were right. It's a pleasant scent. Like, can y'all turn this into a candle? I don't know if that's already in the works, but can you guys please turn this into a candle? Because this scent as a candle, girl, this smells so like pleasing. You know, around holiday season where it's like you smell all the different foods, all the different pies, the potpourris. This is giving me all of that in one, but just more of a fresh scent, not forced, not overpowering. I said that about all three scents. Like, literally none of them are overpowering at all. This smells absolutely amazing. Can y'all please turn this into a candle? Again, I'm gonna keep asking, please turn this one into a candle. This one smells so freaking good. So we have officially tested all three of those perfume scents, and I'm not going to lie to you, I am torn between the three of them because I don't know which one is my favorite. But I will say this, the last one that we just tried, that Caramelized Lavender and Hazelnut, girl, that scent is absolutely pleasing to the nose. It doesn't bother me not one bit, and I feel like even if someone doesn't like the floral scent, even if someone doesn't like caramel scents, whatever, I feel like that woody scent that they added to it definitely balances it out. That leather scent that they added to it definitely balances it out as well. It's such a good mixture of all of the ingredients that they use to make that one. So I guess you could probably say if I had to choose one, like if I literally had to choose one, it would definitely be the Caramelized Lavender and Hazelnut. But all three scents are absolutely amazing, so pleasing to the nose, definitely fall aesthetic, definitely fall scents. I absolutely love them, and I hope, Dossier, that you guys turn those into candles very, very soon because I'm gonna need that, pretty please. Make sure you guys check out my description box. I will have everything listed there as far as the scents that I tried today. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. If you've never tried Dossier before, I don't know what you was waiting on, but I feel like now that they're coming out with their own collection, it just makes it even more worth going with their brand. They're already giving you the lower prices. They're already giving you high-end luxury scents. They're already giving you quality matching the quantity, okay? You guys saw the size of those bottles, right? And then on top of that, you cannot forget that it's cruelty-free, it's paraben-free, they're vegan. And then the cherry on top, you guys, their collection is genderless collection, which means there is no labels, there's no titles. Anybody and everybody could use those scents. And I would definitely say that those scents are both masculine and feminine. So whatever you identify as, it doesn't matter. If you like the scent, use the scent. Definitely check out Dossier. It's super worth it. And Dossier, I want to thank you so much for sending me these scents to try out and test. I absolutely love them. I keep like smelling myself because I sprayed it on myself as well. But as I mentioned before, all of the information will be listed in the description box down below for you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I love you, and I will see you next time. Bye.